Hi guys, welcome back. Little tip for you if you've had to change your battery or if it's gone flat or whatever, or if you've fixed your window mechanism. So this is the one push button mechanism that you get in VWs. Basically it'll wind all the way up or all the way down with a single push. Now this is the car that I changed the regulator on the right hand side here, on the driver's side, and you'll notice that instead of going all the way up and all the way down, it only moves for as long as you're pressing the button. Now what we need to do to reset this is take it all the way to the bottom and hold for 5 seconds. Now take it all the way to the top and hold for 5 seconds. And that reminds the car, the engine management system, where the extremes of movement are. So now, there we go, all the way down and all the way up. Simple.